Hello everyone! So in this video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-book ng cheap flights with Cebu Pacific using your mobile phone. But before that, kailangan lang natin i-ready yung mga kakailanganin nating mga requirements such as Gmail account, or if you have any Gmail or Yahoo account, kailangan nyo yun because doon isi-send ang inyong mga itinerary after natin mag-book ng tickets. And also, we need a GCash account as mode of payment, or if you have a credit card or a debit card, much better. So here's the tutorial on how to book cheap flights with Cebu Pacific using your mobile phone. Now, before that, kung wala pa kayong Cebu Pacific na app, you can download it with Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, you can download it with Apple Store. Now, click nyo lang yung Play Store and then search nyo yung Cebu Pacific. Ayan. Okay. After that, ganyan yung lalabas niya, guys. And then, may lalabas siya na install if hindi nyo pa na-install. After that, click nyo lang yung install. And then, after nyo ma-install, click lang yung open. Alright. So, after nyo maklik yung open, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Skip nyo lang. Ayan. So, actually, this is a legit Cebu Pacific app. So, dito kayo magbubook ng flights nyo or hahanap kayo ng cheap flights. So, dito tayo sa baba. Check muna natin yung mga available promos ni Cebu Pacific. Ayan. Hanapin nyo lang yung book cheap flights. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung see more. And then, ganito yung lalabas niya, seat sale. And then, you have an option to search for an origin or destination directly, or you can choose below. Ayan. Merong mga flights dito. Merong mga route or road na available for the promo. And then, meron silang mga travel periods, kung ano yung mga dates na pwede yung mga promo na yan. As you can see here, guys, yung travel period, we have August 21 to January 31, 2025. So, yung mga promos like 188 base fare is makikita niyo yan from August 21 to January 31, 2025. Pero hindi ibig sabihin yan na yung mga dates na yan, meron talagang promo. So, limited lang kasi yung promo na binibigay ni Cebu Pacific. First come, first serve lang. So, as you can see here, merong for as low as 188 na base fare. 188 base fare is, hindi ibig sabihin nun ay 188 lang talaga yung babayaran nyo. Meron pa yung mga taxes, fuel, as well as service charge. So, makikita natin yan when we book our tickets. Now, let's go back to booking of tickets here. Dito tayo sa taas. Ayan. So, we have here flights. We can choose kung ano yung destination ninyo. Let's say, magsisimula tayo sa Cebu. And then, pupunta tayo ng Boracay. Ayan. Wow, sana all. Ayan. So, you have an option. Pwede kayong mag-round trip tickets if you have a specific dates. Or pwede rin namang mag one-way. Ganyan yung itsura niya pag clinic niyo yung one-way. So, one date lang. So, dun tayo sa round trip. Kailangan natin ng round trip ticket, guys. Kailangan natin bumalik. Ayan. Let's start from yung promo kasi. Ayan. Hanapin natin yung 199. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Lalabas yung dates. Yung calendar. Ayan. So, meron dito mga 1.1K, mga 688, mga base fare lang yan. So, hanapin natin yung pinakamura. Ito, October 23, merong 199. So, click lang natin yung 23. Ayan. So, aalis tayo ng October 23. Tapos, hanap tayo ng another 199 for the return flights. November 6. Ay, ito, 8. Dito tayo sa 5 or 8. Ay, wait. Anong nangyari? 23 and then or 23 and then 12. Ayan, 23 and 12. Same sila ng 199 na pinakamura. Or you can choose between 288. Mura rin naman yung 288 pero mas mura talaga yung 199. So dito tayo sa 199. Ayan. Click natin yung search flights. Ayan. Okay. So eto na yung babayaran nyo. All in na to guys. Kasama na yung 7 kilos na hand carry. Meron na tong taxes, meron tong fuels, and service charge. So, 1,230 from Cebu to Boracay. So, eto lalabas yung mga available na times. So, we have here the 9:35 in the morning. Arrival natin sa Boracay is 10:40 in the morning. And then, meron din silang 11 in the morning. Arrival in Boracay, 12:10 noon time. And then, we have 5:20 p.m. and arrival in Boracay at 6:40 p.m. So, yung promo is andito siya available. As you can see, seat sale sa morning flights. So, let's choose 9:35 a.m. And by the way, guys, if you choose the morning flight, like, let's say, the 9:35 a.m., hindi ibig sabihin nun 9:35 kayo pupunta ng airport. So, meron silang allowance at least 2 hours before dapat nandun na kayo sa airport. So, check natin yung 9:35. Dapat 7:35 nasa airport ka na. Ayan, kailangan natin na maaga. Okay, so for the return flight, ayan, ito yung pabalik natin. November 12, Boracay to Cebu. Okay, so yung promo is andito lang siya sa 11:25 a.m. Pero meron silang tatlong flights din. Kaya lang yung dalawa is hindi siya promo. So, we have 11:25 a.m. departure in Boracay, arrival in Cebu at 12:25 p.m. And then, the next flight is 12:40 p.m., arrival in Cebu at 1:40 p.m. And then, the last flight is 7:40 p.m., arrival in Cebu at 8:55 p.m. So, choose natin yung seat sale na nasa 11:25 a.m. Click lang natin yan. Ayan. So, andito na tayo. As you can see sa upper part, meron ditong select bundles. Click natin yan. Ayan. So, yan yung babayaran natin. So, yan yung mga flights na choose natin. So, we have the October 23 at 9:35 a.m. And then, yung balik natin is November 12, 11:25 a.m. So, yung total lahat, guys, is 2,331.84. So, yan yung babayaran natin. Now, to book a flights, meron tayong mga options dito. So, we have the Go Basic, Go Easy, and Go Flexi. So, for the Go Basic, guys, ito yung mga hand carry lang na 7 kilos, tapos hindi ka pwedeng pumili ng seat mo. So, random yung seat. Sila yung mag-choose ng seat kung saan kanila gustong ilagay. And then, we have the Go Easy. Ayan. Yung Go Easy, guys, it's a package. Meron na siyang 7 kilos na hand carry. Meron na siyang 20 kilos na check-in baggage. And then, you can choose your preferred seat. And also, we have the Go Flexi. Ayan. Sa Go Flexi naman, guys, we have 7 kilos hand carry din. We have 1-piece check-in baggage, which is the maximum weight of 20 kilos. And then, you can also choose your preferred seat and then Sev Flexi. Yung sa Sev Flexi, if ever na hindi kayo maka-flight within dun sa nilagay nyo na dates, pwede kayong mag-rebook or mag-request ng travel fund. Kasi usually yung mga ticket ni Cebu Pacific is non-refundable. So, kapag hindi mo talaga magagamit yun, wala talagang refund. Pero if you choose Go Flexi, you can request for a travel fund para pwede mo siyang magamit sa next. Hindi naman siya totally refund, pero pwede mo siyang parang store siya sa Cebu Pacific na iiwan mo lang yung balance mo doon. Tapos, if magbubook ka ulit ng ticket, pwede mo yung gamitin. So, ganyan siya. Pero, dito tayo sa mura kasi we're looking for the cheap flights. Doon tayo sa Go Basic. Ayan. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya. So for the bundle, we have Go Basic. Click lang natin yung Continue. Ayan. So dito lalabas yung mag-input ka ng name. So please make sure that you enter your name exactly as it's shown on your valid ID. So dapat lahat ng spelling ng name mo tama ang i-input mo dito, kasi kahit nagkamali ka ng isang letter, pag hindi mo yan na-trace, tapos pagdating mo sa airport, machi-check nila iba yung nasa ticket mo tsaka yung sa ID mo, they have pwede kanilang hindi pasakayin. Okay, so first we have to choose the Mr. or Miss. Dito tayo sa babae. Ayan. So lagay natin yung name natin. Angelica. Ayan. Dito tayo sa last name. San Juan. Ayan. Okay. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng date of birth. For example, January 1. Ayan. May mga dates dito. 1999. Tapos, input natin yung nationality. So, we're Filipino. Philippines, if Filipino. Pwede rin naman US if you're a US citizen. Ganyan. Alright. Okay. Dito tayo sa contact information. So, click nyo lang yung use guest details para hindi na tayo mag-type ulit. Ayan. Lalabas na yung name na tinype natin sa taas. And then, we need the contact number. Contact number is very important, guys, kasi if ever may mga delayed, may mga changes na gagawin sa tickets nyo or sa flights nyo na nabook, dito sila mag-update. Okay, so write natin yung contact number natin. Ayan. And also the email address. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina na kailangan natin ng Gmail account or ng Yahoo account, kasi ita-type natin yan dito, tapos yung itinerary natin is doon nila isi-send or doon natin kukunin sa email natin after natin mag-book. Alright, so we have, type natin yung email address. And then, retype natin again para hindi tayo magkamali. Ayan. Then, after that, ay, kulang pa pala, RTP. Ayan. Tapos, click natin na I confirm that I have read, understood, and agreed to the updated Cebu Pacific privacy policy. So, click natin yan. And then, after that, let's proceed to continue. Ayan. So, dito tayo mag-add ng mga, if may bagahe ka, if you want to add an additional baggage, kiklik lang natin yan. Meron ditong seed meals. If you want a transfer, kasi usually sa Boracay, guys, they offer transfers kasi yung drop-off point ni Boracay is Katiklan. So, if you need a transfers from Katiklan going to Boracay Port, you can choose here. Ayan, meron tayong seed transfers na 700 pesos. Pwede nyo yan i-add. Pagbaba nyo ng Boracay, pagbaba nyo ng Katiklan, meron nang nag-aantay sa inyo na van or any transpo going to Katiklan Port. Ayan. Okay. And then, meron dito sa baba, included in your flight. So, may na-add on sa baggage, sa ticket natin na Cebu Pacific or Ceb Travel Sure. This is an insurance. So, if you want to have an insurance, yung mga an hour travel lang, tapos kailangan nyo ng insurance, you don't need to remove this one. Pero since an hour lang naman yung travel natin, so hindi natin kailangan ng insurance kasi 934 din yung ma-add sa ticket natin. So, let's remove the travel insurance. Ayan. I don't need insurance. Yan. So, magiging 0 yan. Tapos, back to add-ons tayo. Ayan. So, dito sa baba, ayan, natanggal na yung insurance. So, bumalik na ulit sa 2331.84 yung babayaran natin. Tapos, if wala na kayong ibang add-ons, if you don't want to choose seats or mga baggage, proceed na tayo sa payment. Ayan. Ayan, may mga you don't have any add-ons for your trip. So, continue nyo na lang yan. Ganyan yung lalabas. So, may booking summary dito na i-check nyo yung dates na clinic nyo kanina, and then as well as the route kung saan kayo pupunta. Double check nyo lang lahat ng yan, guys. And then, we have here the name, yung spelling ng name nyo. Double check nyo rin yan. Tapos, pag okay na lahat, yan, yung sa insurance, ay, yung pabalik natin, merong insurance, balik tayo. Ayan, tanggalin natin yung pabalik. Ayan, remove insurance. Okay. Ayan. Alright, so 2331.84. Yan yung kailangan nating bayaran sa round trip promo fare ni Cebu Pacific. Yan, by clicking to continue, I confirm that I have read, understood, and accept the conditions of the carriage. Now, continue lang natin yan. Ayan. So, in this area, magpo-proceed tayo sa payment. So, yun sinasabi ko kanina, na you have an option to pay yan, credit or debit card. If you're using a credit card or a debit card, click nyo lang yan, tapos lalabas yung sa details ng credit card ninyo. Don't worry, it's safe. Yung mga details ninyo, kasi may clinic kayo na privacy kanina. And then we have here the e-wallet. Ayan, so you have an option. It's either a PayPal, a GrabPay, a Maya, or a GCash. So, click nyo lang yan. After nyo maklik yan, ayan. If ever na GCash yung gagamitin nyo for payment, click nyo lang yung GCash, then I fully understand. Click nyo lang yan. Ayan. Tapos, after that, you go to submit. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung submit. Tapos, magre-redirect kayo dun sa GCash app ninyo kung ano yung gagamitin ninyo na mode of payment. Alright, so after nyo mag-book ng or magbayad dun sa binook nyo na flights, magsisend si Cebu Pacific sa inyong itineraries dun sa email na or Gmail na tinype nyo dun sa tickets, and then dun nyo i-retrieve yung tickets nyo. So, you can screenshot your tickets with your phone or you can print it out if you want. So, either both ways pwede naman siya. So, after that, yun yung ipapakita nyo sa airport. And then, take note po na pagpunta nyo ng airport, dapat 2 hours before departure, nandun na kayo for check-in. Or you can do check-in online. I'll do a separate videos on how to check-in online. And then, don't forget to bring your valid IDs. Kailangan yun, importante yun, kasi i-compare nila yung tickets mo with your valid IDs. So, that's all, guys. I hope you learned from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you, guys.